How to convert your car to run on water, by Water Fuel Review Blogspot.com. Simple water fuel increase the efficiency of your car. Simple water fuel conversion guide will show you how you can use a 90-year-old technology to run your car on a water supplement fuel. This method will not only increase the car's fuel efficiency but it will also help you cut your fuel costs significantly. To run your car on water, you need to install a device that will convert water into gas by using electricity from the car's battery. The gas that will be produced has 3 times more energy than regular gasoline and won't create any toxic emissions. The conversion kit works well with all types of gas or diesel cars, trucks and SUVs. Using it will make your car be up to 67.34% more fuel efficient. Also, you will be using water to supplement your fuel so the car will produce much cleaner emissions. The conversion guide will show you how to use a small amount of electricity from your car's battery to separate water into a gas called brown gas or HHO, 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen. It is a gas that burns effectively and supplies significant energy. At the end of the process it is converted back to simple water again. HHO has the atomic power of hydrogen and maintains the stability of water. Using this technology has another benefit in that you can benefit from the IRS refunds owed to you by law for using environment-friendly technology on your car. The total cost of this upgrade or add-on is under $100. Also, the water you use is simple tap water. There is no need for distilled water or water with other special additives. Water Fuel Review Blogspot.com